When buying in the current market, it can certainly pay to select a property that has the flexibility of earning an extra income. And here at 9 Falcon Lane in Peregian Springs, you've got just that. Single level duplex all on one title, with 3-bed, 2-bath on one side and 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom on the other. Giving you the flexibility to do what the current owners do, which is rent the property to 2 fantastic tenants and get a superior rental return, or live in one yourself and lease the other property or house a family member. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like any further details on this property, please don't hesitate to give me a call and we'll book you in for your own private tour.